This is lyrics to a song I really like. I'll be reading off the lyrics, and then the first part would be Filipino, and then the other part would be English. Ipikit ko man aking mga mata, even if I close my eyes. Ikaw pa rin ang nakikita. I still see you everywhere I go. At kahit saan man ako magpunta, ako'y sinusundan pa rin ng iyong alaala. Anywhere I go, I'm still being followed by memories of you. Alaala, memories. Lumuha man ako'y walang magagawa. It's useless even if I cry. Hindi kaya ng luha ibalik ang nawala. Tears can't bring what was lost. Limutin man kita'y di ko magagawa. Even if I try to forget you, I can't do it. Hindi kaya ng alak lusawin ang iyong muka sa aking alaala. Alcohol can't clear your face in my memory. Sa panaginip lang ba kita makikita? Can I only see you in my dreams? Sa alaala lang ba kita makakasama? Can I be with you only in memory? So I hope you like it. I'll be posting the song in Patreon for members to appreciate it, and yeah, see you on the inside. Thank you so much.